Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this musical instrument set for kids. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. So guys, this thing comes with a bunch of different instruments. It comes with a tambourine, a handshaker bell, a triangle, a xylophone, two maracas, this clarinet thing, and this wood sound maker. Real quickly, I'm going to show you what each of these sounds like. That one kind of sounds like a frog, I'm not going to lie, it's kind of cool. As you guys can see, these sound really cool. They sound really awesome. Kids love these. My nieces and nephews love to play with these. And they're just really fun, guys. And I think they're high quality. They look great. The colors that these are painted are just really playful, really colorful. My favorite thing about this is there's enough instruments here for kind of like a small little band. And if you have multiple kids, or if you have multiple nieces and nephews or grandkids or whoever you're getting this for, you get in a little small group and pretty soon you have a small band playing music together and they all have a ton of fun. And it's just really fun to see the happiness and see how much fun they're having. And just the fact that these are actually good quality instruments and they're just fun. And it could, and who knows, maybe it leads to a lifelong love of music and they become some kind of famous jazz player, who knows. But I just think these are a lot of fun and I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.